how to make money using your phone. Many people overcomplicate the process of making money using your phone, but there are just two things you need to do. The first one is you need an audience. Why do you need an audience? Where would the money come from? Money comes from people. So you need an audience, you need the people. Number two, you need something to offer. So let me break down these two steps, okay? So the first one is an audience. How are you going to gather an audience? What type of audience do you want? So how are you going to make sure you have people that are going to see this thing that you have to offer, okay? The first thing you need to do is to pick a topic. So as you are building your audience, you need to think about what kind of thing are you going to offer to these people. If you are someone who already has a product, you are going to offer a product. If it's a service, you're going to offer a service. If you don't have any of these things, you can promote for other people. You can go to a business owner and say, because business owners always want customers. You can go to a business owner and say, I can advertise for you, I need a commission. That is what sales commission is. That is how affiliate marketing works. Once you pick a topic, you now need to create content. Content is going to attract people. It could be, you could use a WhatsApp group, you could be using your status, but you have to find a way to attract people to come to you. Otherwise, why would they come to you? You need to give people a reason to come to you, okay? And you can use that using content. Build trust, build a relationship of trust with them. Think about it like when you are building a friendship with people. How do you do that? Get to interact with them, get them to know you, get to know them. And the fastest way to do this, by the way, is content. Now, the second part is create an offer. What is that offer? What is that thing you're going to do? What is that thing you're going to sell? Is it furniture? Is it clothing? Is it beauty tips? But you have to offer them something. People don't just give money from nowhere. They give money in exchange for something of value. So you have to think about something of value that you can offer, okay? Make it easy for people to pay you. Once you offer that thing, it should be easy to pay you. It should not be hard. It should not be complicated. It should not be difficult. Make sure you have plenty of payment options to offer. Number three, make sure they enjoy the thing that they buy from you. Why do you want them to enjoy? Because if they don't enjoy it, they have problems consuming it, if they have problems, they don't get the result that they want, they're not going to come back for more. You want to make this kind of sustainable income. And the way you make it sustainable is to make sure people come back. And people only come back if they enjoy what you're offering. So if you're a complete beginner and you're thinking about making money online, the two things you need to do is one, have an audience, two, have something to offer. Think about these two things. If you don't have capital, you need to think about a service that you can offer. That way, if that's the way that you want to go, then you need a skill. What skill can you have? You need to develop a skill. That is why I teach digital skills, so that the people that come to my programs, once they learn the digital skills, they can go out there and offer that skill as a service. So that's what I did when I just started years back. I was offering the service of web design. Things have changed now. Technology has advanced. We have artificial intelligence. You can learn some of these skills and start offering that through your phone. You just post about it, create content about it, and then tell people that I'm actually offering this same service that I'm talking about.